Hello everybody, in this video we're solving the 99th problem of Project Euler, which is to find the largest base to exponent pair in a 1000 line file. First, we will need some code, but it is important to mention that you'll also need to have a folder with the file, which they show how to install here, in a folder with code. So now if we begin coding, we can begin by importing math. We'll also want to open the file, which is done by writing in the name of the file and then the file extension, and then we'll put in read mode. Then we'll quickly read all the data and we'll close it. This is quite important as it could make a memory leak on your machine. So now if we make some variables such as vline, we're currently on, the max number and the max line. So if we iterate through every single line and we split every single line by their comma, as the base and exponent are separated by a comma, then we can perform a calculation. Here we'll have to find the logarithm of the base and then times that by exponent, as this is incredibly faster than doing it the normal way. And if n is higher than max, it means we found a new max. So we'll set it to n. And then we'll also put the line it's on to I. And we'll make sure that I iterates on every cycle. Oops. And if we run this, I quickly realize so I made a little mistake. The answer is here. Ignore that, I actually made a typo. But here's your answer, 709, and if we go here, we can see that it is indeed correct.